Justin with Seaboard here on the timeout. I'm standing on the deck that these guys built. It's made out of foam and glass, 1-inch foam, and matte combo matte or something on one side, on the bottom side, and just a little bit of, got one layer on the top side.
Matte combo.
Matte combo, and that's it. And then it's got a little pre-curve to it, 1 inch of pre-curve, and now they're just gonna trim a little more to get it to fit in here, and be a nice deck, nice sturdy deck. Then they're gonna glass the top with lots of layers of matte and combo. So on top they're gonna do matte combo, matte cloth, matte, and finish it off with a gel coat. But first, let's see how we got there. Remember, when we got the boat, it looked like this. Boat's been sitting for a while. Okay, checking in on the timeout here. It's been a lot of work to get it to this point, but it's looking clean. Starting to move forward now. So this is one coat of vinyl ester resin, and then some gel coat with gray gel coat, and now they're going to be putting on a final wax coat to seal it up. Renee's working on that right now, mixing it up as we speak. Mixing up the final clear coat.
Yeah, with the clear coat is
And some wax.
surface and seal.
Surface seal, yeah.
Yeah, that's you have to use this.
To seal it up, otherwise it stays sticky, right?
It's gonna be sticky.
Yeah.
And you have to use shoes like this.
Yeah, see, yeah. I didn't walk in there, just so you know.
Yeah.
I know to stay off. Okay, well, good luck. Okay, this is the start of the new fuel tank. All right, you've been busy, huh, Renee?
Okay.
Been busy?
Every day.
Looks good. So what is this, fuel tank?
Fuel tank.
A few baffles in there.
Yeah, this is pure fiberglass. Pure fiberglass. This is fiberglass and foam.
Fiberglass and foam.
Fiberglass and foam all around. This is solid fiberglass.
Just what, matte cloth?
Matte cloth until it gets this thickness.
Wow, that's just all matte cloth?
All matte cloth, matte.
So that's strong.
Yeah, really strong.
And so this is foam,
It's hard foam.
hard foam.
Yeah.
And how many layers inside?
This is matte, combo, matte.
Okay, what about inside?
Same thing. Matte, combo, matte.
Matte combo, matte.
And on the corners, double.
Double.
Matte, combo, matte, combo, matte. On the corners, inside and outside.
And what do you use for resin?
50 and 50. Iso resin and BE.
50-50 iso resin and VE for all of the layers?
For all the layers.
Just for fuel tanks.
Just for fuel tanks, yeah.
It has to be thick.
It's got to be thick, yeah.
Yeah, it has to be really thick. That's why I'm putting a coat of gray and one coat of white.
One coat of gray, one coat of white.
Yeah, that's going to be 3 times.
3 times? Gray, white, gray, white?
Yes.
Wow. Wow, this is the deck for the timeout. Look at this thing. That's going to be a big layup, huh? Yeah. What do you think, Renee? Are you scared?
Yep.
Yeah?
Of this, no.
Nah. Got a bunch of weights there to keep it flat. Wow, it's a good thing we got a new shop to do this, huh? I can't even get, I got to get way back here to get it all in one shot. Go stand next to it for size. You stand next to it?
Oh, okay.
You can see. Okay, here's the new deck for the timeout. They've been working on glassing it, laying it up here in our new shop space. Okay, so in order to get this thing right now is a little bit too floppy. It's glassed on one side, like matte combo, several layers of fiberglass. But the problem is, it's a little too floppy. But if we put a glass on this one side, it's going to want to stay flat. It won't be flexible enough to curve to the boat. We built the framework here. We cut the curve of the deck, the curvature of the deck into these boards. All right, put the fiberglass on here. Here we're going to drop in the deck for a test fit and scribe around the edges and trim for a perfect fit.
Ya está arriba, allá.
De esta esquina.
Okay, rough fitting of the deck for the timeout. It is trimmed a little bit off the edges. And now kind of getting into position here. All right, got it all marked out. Gonna bevel this, trim it a little bit, and bevel the edge. All right, so you can see the final product behind me. This is the deck ready to go in the boat. You can see we've got the edges glassed now and beveled. So the next time this goes in the boat will be the final time, and it'll get glassed into place. The finishing layup on top, and gel coat, and non-skid. So more to come on this boat.